I am on a quest for a new go-to daily hairstyle. I'm getting tired of this. It's hard to find the placement right, and it just like sags through the day, as you can see, as it is now after dinner, and just ugh. So I made a playlist of my favorite of the hairstyles that I've been trying over the last couple of years, and one of the criteria is I hate doing French or Dutch braiding on my hair. It takes forever and it gets tangled as I go, and it's hard to keep the sections separated. I just hate it. So I did not include any of those, even though some of them are really nice and I do like them. So I'm going to go look at my list and try to figure out a new go-to daily hairstyle.
Alright, the vintage hairdo and the Mira-chan are both too similar to the coronet braid I'm already doing. Psyche knot I do like a lot, but that has an extra hairpiece in it and it's very dramatic. Flexi braided chignon, I'll try that. Chignon with hair stick, the Margot bun, I like that one a lot. Lamberg updo is very beautiful. Chain bun, I'll try it. Log roll, maybe. Ooh, pinless braided bun is one of my all-time favorites. And maybe the coil, the lifted coil. Alright, so here I'm trying the chain bun first, and this is basically making a crochet chain out of your hair. Which I actually do a lot of knitting and crocheting. But I do not like this for an everyday style. Here I'm talking to my son. It is not very secure. It's cool looking, but it's not secure, and it's literally tying knots in my hair, which is meh. So, yeah, it just flops too much. Don't like it. Gave up immediately. Alright, this one, what am I doing here? I think this is gonna be the Margot. Yeah. So it's basically you start with this Celtic knot bun, but leave the ends out at the top, and then put something like a hair stick through it. I'm using a Leela Rose swerve here, that's a very plain one. And then the tail over the top, spread it out a little bit, tuck it under. This is super elegant looking. Here I'm finding that my hair has gotten longer since the last time I tried this. Go figure, it does that. So, find a new way to get those ends tucked in there. Hi there. You have a bow and arrow. Oh, we have a visitor over here. Okay, so then spread it out, and it just is, like I said, super elegant. Really like the look of that. And this is it from the front. One of the things I liked about the coronet is it looked nice from the front, but all of these are pretty much going to look the same in the front. This is my braided flexi chignon, and I wrap the flexi with a cloth to keep it from snagging my hair, but I heard that Leela Rose is coming out with a type of flexi that would be much better for this, that doesn't have exposed metal. It's still metal on the inside, but it would be like covered in some kind of a rubber, I think, for like sports, and I think that would work really well for this. So I may get one of those when they come out and give that a try. It's kind of hard to hide the sides of the cloth there. So, Alright, this is the Lamberg updo, which is spectacular, but between putting my hair into ponytails and then 2 braids, it takes a lot of time, and I seriously doubt that I am going to take this time and effort in the mornings when what I often do is just a extremely quick cinnamon bun. So this would be really good for like not even a super special occasion, but just if I'm seeing friends, like not the school run in the morning. Look at that. Amazing. Love that one. Again, they all pretty much look the same from the front. Oh, you have 2 bows. I do see that. Okay, now I'm going to do the braided pinless, any kind of hair fork. Here I'm using another swerve. This is my favorite swerve. It's an orchid. Twist the braid around it. Tuck the end, and that's that. So that is pretty fast, other than it takes me an eternity to braid all of my hair.
I found another train.
That's really nice. I do like how that looks.
Found another train with no face.
Another train with no face. Yeah, most trains don't have faces. Here I'm going to try the lifted coil, which is a bee-butt bun that has been moved up. This is JJJ's, one of her special unique styles. And I tried to secure it with the hair stick or swerve, but it wasn't strong, so then I went to try to find some claw clips, which is what JJJ uses, and I can't find any of my nice minimalist claw clips that I bought specifically for this purpose because my children think that they are chompers and they play with them all the time. So instead I found these enormous claw clips that look ridiculous. But if I could find my minimalist claw clips, then that would be a good option. So what's the winner? I think the Margot and maybe braided pinless, and if I can find the claw clips that I like, then the that's not the log roll, the lifted coil. But I think my go-to is going to be the Margot, so we'll see how that goes.